Ditch dairy with this amazing almond coffee creamer recipe. Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting recipe to share with you, homemade almond coffee creamer. If you're tired of the same old store-bought options, then you're in for a treat. Get ready to elevate your morning coffee experience with this delicious and creamy almond-flavored goodness. So, let's dive right in and make our very own almond coffee creamer. Ingredients: 1 cup almond milk, 1/4 cup sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon almond extract, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, optional, pinch of salt. Instructions: in a small saucepan, heat the almond milk over medium-low heat until warm. Do not let it boil. Stir in the sweetened condensed milk until well combined and heated through. Remove the saucepan from heat and add the almond extract, maple syrup, if using, and a pinch of salt. Stir well to incorporate the flavors. Let the mixture cool down to room temperature. Once cooled, transfer the mixture to a jar or airtight container and refrigerate for at least 2 hours to allow the flavors to meld together. Shake or stir the creamer well before using. Add desired amount of almond coffee creamer to your coffee and stir until well combined. Store any remaining creamer in the refrigerator and use within 1 week. And there you have it, our homemade almond coffee creamer. Now, every morning can be a delightful experience with the rich and nutty flavor of almonds in your coffee. Whether you're a fan of lattes, cappuccinos, or just a simple cup of joe, this creamer is sure to enhance your coffee drinking experience. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this recipe, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious coffee-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.